Hey, everybody. How you doing? It's your buddy Uncle Bruce. I'm back here for the afternoon session. 1 hour to go in our day today on February the 24th. First of all, I gotta say,
your buddy Uncle Bruce. I'm back here for the after.
I gotta apologize to so many of you. You've been so kind to me and you've been so patient with me. I'm probably so exhausted. I don't even know how tired I am. I'm just pounding away here, trying to keep on top of these shows and keep you posted on what's going on. And I just don't realize how tired I am because obviously I completely lost it. Because if you look up here, is that up here? Yeah, you look up there at the notification of my class, you'll note that it says now, join the class, register for not lesson number 12, rollover, call option strategies, all that. Notice the date, Saturday, February the 26th at 2 p.m. That's this Saturday. This Saturday. Up until an hour ago, when I reposted this thing, it was saying March the 5th. It had been up there for a week. And some of you, I think, tried to tell me that. And it just went right over my head. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired that I probably completely just missed it. I reposted a community tab thing telling you that it's this Saturday. I verbally tell you it's this Saturday, but up here it just says March the 5th. It's like next week. No, it's this week. Anyway, welcome to the channel and the show, and I'm glad you're here, and welcome back. And do you think the markets might close up today? Because they sure look like they're going to close up today. The NASDAQ is up 233 points, up 1.8%. I mean, this thing was down 2.5% this morning. This is a 4.3% turnaround on NASDAQ. Serious business. We were down over 300 points this morning. And now the Dow is down 240 points, but it was down, 500 something early this morning? It was down there. We've really turned this around, and it's coming on. S&P is up a third of a point, which is nice to see. And some of our favorite stocks are definitely on the way up, which is really nice to see. A real good turnaround happening here. I figured as much. I figured as the day went on, the initial shock of the whole Ukraine thing would calm down a bit, and we would get this, condemnation thing and sanction thing and all that. But as it goes on, we're going to unfortunately see, images we are, really don't want to see with Russians inside Ukraine. Get the hell out of there, you bastards. But anyway, it is what it is. The Dow is so oversold. The markets are so oversold that even on a day like today, we can have an up day. And I think tomorrow we could have a really big up day, maybe 3 or 4 days in a row, because we are way off the charts. Like, we are way off of normal. Anyway, the Dow's off 228 points. S&P's up 15. The Nasdaq's up 245. Oil is only up $1.23. We are back to 93.33 a barrel. Why? There's no shortage of oil in the United States. There's not going to be a shortage of oil in the United States. There are no sanctions on oil right now. And so the price of oil is plummeting. It's coming right back down to where we were, 93.26 from 99 this morning, 103 on Brent. We'll have an update on the markets in Asia tonight. We'll have an update tomorrow in Europe, and we'll have a big update here tomorrow. We could be positive by the end of the night. We'll see, but we're definitely coming on with two of these markets. Look at the Rocket Lab, up $1.02 right now. Rocket Lab's at 967. This is just short of the high day of 973. That's the high of the day. 3.1 million traded. We were this morning at 820 a share. What moron was selling this stuff at 820? Where did that moron think the world was going? I don't get it. Again, I still maintain that the likelihood of all the selling we've had lately has been from hedge fund speculators who have way over leveraged themselves on all kinds of other investments and are using these shares as collateral to get out of jail. Well, they're out, and they got out at 820. We're now at 970. We're $1.50 higher than those sales this morning to start the day. Okay, those of you who still hold the stock, you feel better now? I feel better, looking a lot better. 973 right now. That's the high of the day right now on Rocket Lab, and we're still climbing up $1 10. Look at SoFi, $10.18. Low trade this morning, 882. It was in the pre-market as low as 850 at one point. I did see a trade at 850 this morning. 1018 now on the day. Volume 65.19 million. There is buying coming into the stock. It is still coming in and will continue to come in because this should be $25 a share. This is a steal at 1018. It's still on a massive discount. Nonetheless, it's 1018, the high of 1023. Looking very, very good. Much better than this morning, to say the least. Some of you are smiling already because you've been picking this up every day that it's backed off. You're going to get your reward. We're up 35 cents on SoFi. GameStop, 122.30. Are you writing options yet? Is anyone writing options on GameStop? You could be. You should be. 122.30, up 7.43. A very good day today. Now, theoretically, we might go higher tomorrow. Yep, could happen. We'll see. Volume 1.77 million. Not unbelievable. It's not like, oh, wow, the biggest volume of all time. No, it's very quiet. But it has stopped falling. We were down to 104 this morning on the GameStop. Big change here. Big change. 122.80 right now. We're the high of the day, 123.33. So looking great. AMC up 190, 17.62 and exploding. It was as low as $14.96 on the opening today, right down to $15. Now $17.60. So recovery there. Matterport, 674, up 56 cents. Now 674, 57 cents. That is the high of the day, $6.74 right now. This is the high of the day on 8.7 million on Matterport. Buying continues to come into the stock. It was 571 this morning. $1.03 higher than this morning on your Matterport. We're climbing at 575, 675 and going higher. It's going higher. ME23andMe, man, we've been waiting all day for a recovery on this thing, and we got it. We were at 385 this morning. It is now 425. We have recovered 40 cents. We're plus 4 on the day, 3.69 million traded. Looks great. It is going higher. Buying is coming in on 23andMe. This is way down. I mean, under 10 is ridiculous for this stock. Under 10 is ridiculous. Spire at 220 a share. Now this one defies logic because this morning it was 212. Then it went up to 239. It took off and it's given it all back. We're now at 220 a share. So frustrating. Scott, thank you. No need to mention my name. Okay. 212 was the low. We're at 220 right now. We're up 8 cents from the low, but we are off 5 cents on the day on Spire. I just, not everything goes up when it should go up, but that's what it's doing. It's off a nickel. 1.3 million traded. So there you go. Okay. ATIP, we are green finally, up 9.5 cents now to 249.5, and that is the high of the day, 250 right here, the high of the day, 982,000. We were down to 223 this morning. Now we're at 250. Thank you very much. So 37-cent bump from the low, and we're still going higher on more buy interest than sell interest. We can go much higher than this. Smart Rent is up 18 cents. We were down all morning. This morning we were at 620 on the opening. Now 677. 57-cent turnaround. Up 18 cents. 1.36 million, and the buying is still coming in. It's going higher on Smart Rent. Sextera, the only one of our stocks that has not been positive. Sextera today, all this week, was setting new record, all-time record highs, one day after another. We reached 1353 for the all-time record high the other day. We're at 1273 now. We're down 6 cents on the day. Nothing serious to worry about here. The low this morning, 1203. We have come back 70 cents on Sextera on 87,000 shares. No one is selling this off. So there you go. 1273 down 6 cents and climbing back on good old Sextera. This thing could be up 50 cents today. That's the way this stock is. Could end up with 120,000 volume, up 50 cents like nothing happened. It's crazy. It's great. There you are. Those are your markets. Look at that down now, down 150 points. That's all. Down 141 right now. Just grabbed another 9 points. S&P up 27, Nasdaq up 291. We're down 140 on the Dow, and we are climbing quickly. 977 on Rocket Lab, up 114. 1021 up 39 cents on SoFi. GameStop 122.80 up 793. AMC up 162 to 1735, up 60 on Matterport 678. ME at 427, 428, up about 7 cents. Still down the nickel on Spire, just need a little pop. ATIP 250 up 9.5 to 10 cents. Smart Rent up 18. Cyxtera down 6. Robinhood is up 73 cents to 11.59. Vanek Vectors up $6. Vanek at 263.78. We were as low as 246 this morning. $246. This is $17. We've gone up $17 today from the low. This is a turnaround that is real. This is not a pretend turnaround. There's some serious money moving into this market right now. Home Depot up 250 to 310.81. We're pushing 311 from a low of 299.29. $11-12 turnaround midday on your Home Depot. This is the first gain in 3 days. IBM down 93 cents at 121. The low today, 118.81. Looks like a $3, almost a $3 turnaround. We'll take that. Microsoft, it was 271 this morning, 290 now. Looks like it's going to hit 291. This will be a $20 turnaround today on Microsoft. We've only just started. This thing is going to go looking good. Apple up 39 cents. Doesn't sound like anything, does it? Yeah, except we were 152 this morning. We have turned around $8 a share on Apple today. That is a 5% turnaround from this morning minimum, if not more than 5%. Very powerful turnaround on Apple. That's bumping NASDAQ, and that's bumping S&P, and that's bumping the Dow. Yeah, sure is. Goldman Sachs down 371 to 337. The low today, 326.95. $10 turnaround on Goldman, looking a lot better. Cisco down 18 cents to 54.26. The low today, 53.21. Nice turnaround on Cisco. Facebook up 6 1/4. We were at 190 this morning. It's now 204. We're almost pushing $15 on a turnaround today on Facebook. This is a huge turnaround. Amazon is up $99. Call it 100 now. It's $100, 35 cents higher. We're at $29.96. The low was $27.90. $28.90, $29.90. That is a $206 turnaround today. Get it? Is it hitting you? It's huge. It's huge, the amount of money coming into this market. There is a ton of money coming into this market. Tesla's up $18, $782. It was at $700 today, an $82 turnaround. Amazon, $29.97, up $100. Oh, I can't stop talking about that. Google is up $74. It was at $24.95. It's now $26.25. That's $130. That's a lot of money coming into this stock. That's a lot of market cap has been increased in this market here. Look at Bed Bath Beyond. It's up $1.74 to $14.90. BlackBerry's up 30 cents to $6.56. Even Royal Caribbean has turned around. It's up 70 cents. It was down to $75.55. It's come back $5. Shouldn't be up here, but it is. What can I say? Royal Caribbean even is going up. Target is up 70 cents. It's at $190 a share. It was $184 this morning. That's a $6 turnaround. JP Morgan is down $5 at $143. It hit $139. It's come back $4 and still climbing. Over on Costco, we're at, almost at $502. We're just under $502 a share. We were $483 today. This is $19 on Costco today. It's a huge move. These are huge moves. Huge. Who else? What else? Where else? Why else? Walmart is at $134.33 from $132. Still down 70 cents, but climbing quickly. Nvidia up $9 to 233. It was 208 today. $25 turnaround on Nvidia today. Big turn. Disney up 265 to 148. It was 140 this morning, $8 turnaround. eBay is about unchanged. It was 49.50. It's 54.50. 10% turnaround. Twitter up 190. It was 31.30. It's now 34.60. 330 gain here. That's 10% practically right there. What a shot. American Airlines up 20 cents. It was down this morning. Netflix is up $20 to 386. It was 354 today. $32 gain on Netflix today. Every single stock has had a big run. Moderna 154 up 1870. Workday up 7. DoorDash up 8. Airbnb up 7. Wow. What a turnaround. Coinbase up $7. So there you go. The markets have completely turned it around. The NASDAQ up 2.2%, but we have got stocks that have turned around 10% today. Every time after time, example after example after example, we're up 3/4 of a percentage point on, or 2/3 of a point on S&P. We're up 2.2 on NASDAQ. We're down 0.43 of a percentage point on the Dow. The Dow is only down 142. It could still turn out to be a green day for the Dow. That's amazing. Rklb is on its way to $10. $9.78. Looks like a 10 is in its sights. SoFi $10.20. It wants to go higher. GameStop $122.67, just short of an $8 gain now. AMC up to $17.26. Matterport $6.79, up 61. ME up 5.5 cents to 426.5. Spire is still down a nickel. ATIP up 9.5 cents to 249.5, almost 250. Smart Rent now up 17 cents, and Sextera down 6. A very huge turnaround on all of these stocks. Are any of you writing calls? What's going on? How you doing on your trades today? Welcome one, welcome all to the market. Tio, go get some sleep, but before, give us your take on GameStop. I'm going to hang in there for this show, but oh, am I going to sleep tonight? I am so tired. So tired. Michael is saying Global Star to acquire 17 new satellites for $327 million. Rocket Lab picked as a subcontractor. There you go. What else is going on here? I'm working myself to death for you people. It's incredible. What a run here. Hey, Uncle Bruce, your stink offers are great. I had one placed, covered call, GameStop, for next week, 125 strike for 844, high trade of the day. Whoop, ditto, bingo. Beautiful stuff. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see what else is going on here. I wrote 3 120, says Eric, and I got caught on all 3. Working on rollovers now. Don't worry about it. It's okay. You'll work on rollovers. Don't worry about it. You're never caught. You're always in charge. What else is going on here? I was down $3,000 this morning. Now I'm up. I'm up 800. Way to go, man. Way to go. Keep it going. I bought 75 SoFi this morning. Average down to 40 cents, and it's in the green. Happy days. Thanks for the paper. Beautiful job, Bradley. What else is going on? What else is going on here? Any more comments on markets? Beautiful stuff, guys. Way to go, way to go, way to go. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, I'm calling it. We hit rock bottom today, by the way. We sprung back up. I've bought back almost all of my covered calls since I think today we start the run up. I've decided it, and it's going to be that way. That's it. It's over. We're going higher. That's it. The bottom has been hit. There you go. Buddy, I wrote GameStop calls. Right on, buddy. Oh man. Well, we'll see how this market goes. Like I say, this turnaround is serious. We're down 176 on the Dow, and we're coming on. Like, I'm looking at some of the Dow 30s here. Like, the worst performers right now would be United Healthcare down 7.5. That was down 15. JP Morgan is down 5. Travelers down 5. Procter Gamble down 440. McDonald's down 420. Goldman is down $4. That was down $15 today. Johnson Johnson down $3.97. The winners, look at the winners. Salesforce up 1160, Microsoft up 978, Home Depot up 305, Honeywell up 277, Walt Disney up 250, Intel up $1.50, Apple up 78 cents, Boeing up 4. Then the other, stocks that are still down but barely. We're talking 21 cents on Cisco, 53 on Walgreens, 56 cents on Nike, 89 cents on Walmart, Visa down 94 cents, IBM down 95 cents, Verizon down 96. This is nothing burgers. Half the Dow is barely down. We're coming on here. This market is coming on big time. 978 on Rocket Lab, up 114, up 38 on your SoFi to 1020. GameStop 122.53, AMC 1731, Matterport 680, up 62 cents. We're going for $7 on Matterport. ME 426.5, climbing. Spire still down a nickel. ATIP up 10.5 to 250.5. And Smart Rent up 19, Cyxtera down 8. We have got a good day going here on this market. This is a serious amount of money coming into this market. Serious amount of money. Very, very good. I like it, and like I say, we may well be up on the day with the last half an hour surge, because their buy programs are just coming in one after the other here, and it's certainly hit the Nasdaqs. The fangs have all exploded. There's serious cash coming into this market. Alrighty, how much of this foreign money is from Europe? I think a lot of it. Absolutely. What else is going on here? Uncle, hear me out. After earnings next week, I'm going to write LEAP covered calls for 2024 and try to get $3 to $5 per SoFi share with a strike of hopefully 20 to 22.50 to buy more GameStop and buy back covered calls with that. Is that a good idea? It could be. Let the SoFi, germinate and absorb this news. You've got to give analysts time to write up SoFi as a buy, because that's what they're going to do. They're going to write this thing up as a strong buy, and they're going to call 2025 a share for this thing, one after the other after the other. That's my thinking on it. SoFi is not going to get downgraded. This thing is on fire, and there could be other deals in the works that SoFi is working on that we don't even, we obviously couldn't possibly know. So even after the earnings are out, you got to give it a couple of days, because there could be a momentum move here that could, just like with Matterport, just momentum's its way up into the 16, 17, 18 range. You might be looking at writing leaps into the 30 range, not the 20 range. I mean, anything is possible here. You got to give this stock a chance to now gain momentum on the upside, because the street is going to come into this thing. They've been distracted lately away from our stocks, for sure. 980 on Rocket Lab. We're going for $10. 40 minutes. That's plenty of time for Rocket Lab to break 10. 1021 on SoFi. 122.88. We're going for 123 again on GameStop. Matterport 682. We're going for $7 here. It wants to go to 7. Matterport is traded 9.6 million. And we're at the high of the day, 682, up 64. There's no stock. There's nothing for sale. It's gone. It's all sold out. Folks, you want it. You got to go chase it now. There's people now getting in the program here, a little late, but they're coming in, and they're finding that there's not a lot available down here, and that moves it faster. ME 424. Keep it going, man. Let's go. Robinhood up 66, Vanik up 573, Home Depot up 270. IBM is only down 88 cents. It's coming on, a 121.19. It's just short of the high of the day here. Come on, IBM. You know you can do it. Microsoft up 10 big ones. Come on, Apple, trying to get to 161. There it is, 161 on Apple. That's the high of the day. We're right there. We're right there again on Apple. That's only up 93 cents. It's a nothing burger. We can go up another couple of bucks here. That'll move the Dow dramatically, of course, if Apple goes up. Obviously, it's the power stock. Goldman, 364 down dip. We're climbing. Cisco down only 18 cents. Facebook up 760. Amazon up 107. Looks like 108. It's over 3,000 again on Amazon. Tesla, 785. Was 700 this morning. And Google 2633 up $81. We're climbing. The Dow now down 166. We're near at or about the high today, very close to it. We've got a 26-point gain on S&P and 301 points on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is flying right now, flying. Definitely money coming in here, big time money coming in here. Let's go. I like it. All right, what's going on? Let's take a look at some more comments here. Let's see. Credit Savage, we're talking $5,000 SoFi shares and perhaps 200 more GameStop. I am definitely going to take advantage of the fear of missing out, but I am scared of the way we sell off after earnings with SoFi, and I'm left holding the bag. Yeah, but if we don't have war talk anymore like we had going in, because they're in there now. They're in there, okay? They can't re-invade, They've invaded. You get one invasion, it's been done. Now we move our money where it's safest. Where is it safest? SoFi, Rocket Lab, AMC, GameStop, Matterport, Emmy. This is where they're going. This is where the money's going to go. It's where I think it's going to keep coming. That's what I'm saying. Uncle Bruce, is it odd that SoFi trades 67 million and only moves 35 cents? No, that's not the odd part about it. The incredible part about SoFi is that it went from $8.82 to $10.20 on 67 million. We took out all the loose hands. They were wiped out today. They got blown out between 880 and 950. They're gone. They have been replaced with investors, a lot of day trading on top of that. That's why we're about to go higher on SoFi. Tomorrow, 60 million shares trade, we could go up $2 easily. It's cleaned out. Guys, it's really good news. I had a little over 20,000 shares at a 12 average. Don't sell a single share of SoFi. Any of you guys, not a single share is available. This thing is going to 15 and then to 20. Watch out. You're about to get rich. I love this. This is going to be so much fun. Beach Boy, Uncle Bruce, I wrote 42 March 4s, 120s for 720 and entered a limit to buy at 515 for a quick round. The stock's up, so maybe tomorrow. Ho. And you never know with this thing. You wrote them at 720. That's beautiful. They're only 294 in the money right now. You're at 720. Sweet. They're going to depreciate because they're not up enough. They are up $8 today. You only need a little swing and you're going to be fine. Beach Point, you're going to be fine. I love this. DQ, I got SoFi pre-market at 851. Giddy up, baby. You're going to make a lot of money on this thing. What else? Nicholas, don't buy SoFi. I need my bonus is coming tomorrow. I need it down here. I need to buy it. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Good stuff. Alberto, I'm a buyer, not a seller when it remains under 15. I'll keep buying with my credit covered call puts profits. Let's go. I'm going to keep buying that SoFi. There you have it. Looking good, guys. We're down 168 on the Dow. We're up 30 on S&P. That's climbing. We're up 315 on the NASDAQ. We're climbing. The Dow will get with the program. It just needs a little more oomph, and that will be the last 20 minutes. We'll see how this all plays out. Oil up only 21 cents now. Oil is up 21 cents on the day. Okay, you get it? Oil's at 92.31. Oil could go negative. Before we close out. We'll just don't be surprised if that happens. Oh my gosh. What are we watching here? There is just so much going on. Yep. So many people on SoFi Reddit saying this thing is going to go to $5. So much unnecessary emotion. It ain't going to 5. It's going to 25. They're on the wrong side of this thing. 1022 on SoFi, up 40. 979 on Rocket Lab, up 116. GameStop up 828 to 123.16. We're trying to push new highs on GameStop now. AMC 1731 up 158. Matterport 679 up 61. ME at 426.5 up 5.5 cents. Spire down a nickel. ATIP up 11 cents to 251, climbing again. Smart Rent up 17 and Sextera down 12. Vanik is up 644, up again. Microsoft holding $10 gain, 1061. Apple up 86 cents. Facebook up $8, Amazon up 110, Tesla up 23, and Google up $82. We got money coming into this market. We're up 323 on the NASDAQ, up again. There it is. This is a good market. We got a big turnaround here, and all of you have earned it today. Absolutely earned it. I scored some Tesla pre-market at 711. It's at 787. Nice going, Jeff. Nice to see these gains coming in. It's absolutely beautiful. 980 on Rocket Lab, and the Dow down 183, S&P up 28, Nasdaq up 316. The oil market up 35 cents to 92.45. Gold is down $22. It was up $30 today. Gold was $50 higher than where it is now. It was $19.30, $19.40 an ounce. It's $18.88. Gold is down. Oil is about to go down. Watch it. It's going to go down. Oil is going to go negative. We're watching this market carefully. Lots of gyrations going into the last half hour, 20 minutes. We're down to 30 minutes to go. And oh man, are we flying everywhere. SoFi now 1028, 2 cents off the high of the day. We're going higher. We're going for 1030 and beyond on 68 million. The day ain't over yet. SoFi goes higher. Nice. Rocket Lab 980, GameStop 123.30. We're at the high of the day on GameStop here. 123.33 is a high trade, and we're right at it, up 8.43 right now. AMC up 162, Matterport up 60 cents, and ME up 3. Watching this market coming into the final 30 minutes. Man, oh man, oh man. What a day. What an incredible day. I'm tired. I've been watching this. I'm working my tail off here. I'm pooped. Bruce, do you think SoFi at $8 set off a super buyout, and those who shorted the stock are being taken out, and since they have to cover, they got to buy at market price, pushing up the price squeeze? Anything in that realm is possible. We're at 1030 on SoFi. It is possible. It's possible that shorters who shorted at 16, 15, and 14 are now trying to cover, worried that it's going to go to 13, 14, 15 very quickly, and they want to lock in. They didn't take advantage of the $8, $9 run. Now they're panicking at 1030. That's possible too. But I think the other reality is that a lot of folks have been looking at that chart of SoFi. They're looking at the 1 month chart of SoFi, the last week of SoFi, and they're saying at 1030 it's a bargain. This is still dirt cheap stock at 1031. This isn't expensive. This is 60% off. This is $25 stock trading at 1030 a share. It's 60% off. Are you waiting for the ATIP earnings with us? I might be if I can stay awake. And does this mean that SoFi might not be delisted? Oh, no guarantees. Matterport might be back to 7. It's right, 682. It might make it. Rocket Lab might hit 10. We're at 1080. Yep, we're going higher. ME 426. Keep it going, guys. Spire never wants to play, Uncle Bruce. Why? It never does squat. Which hedge fund and margin morons keep selling and holding it here? It's treated like a red herring. I don't know, BW. I don't have answers for everything, but Spire at 219, kind of a bargain. ATIP at 249.5. Looking all right. And DQ, breaking news, SoFi's going to delist after the close today. Where did you get that? Alberto, damn it. Okay, Tio, just put in another stinky bid on SoFi. Tio can sell ice to an Eskimo. Charlie C. Uncle Bruce, any thoughts on what you expect to hear from ATIP? No thoughts, no idea. We'll see what gives. 249 up 9. Where are we at now? The Dow down 194 at the moment. Now down 182. We're at 28 minutes to go, and we're a little better on the Dow at the moment. We're at 23 points gained on S&P. NASDAQ up 308. The Dow down 182. It was down 230 a few minutes ago. Now down 182. Frumbler says, I wrote a 125 March 11 GameStop call for $8.95. Beautiful premiums. Nice move. Just let that thing shrink out. Beautiful job. Keep an eye on this market. 124.30 on GameStop, up 943. Great to see. I'm happy. And if you're writing calls into this strength, way to go. Rocket Lab, 984 now, 16 cents away for $10 on Rocket Lab. The Dow is down 110. We just gained 100 points in 5 minutes on the Dow. The Dow is coming on. So is S&P. It just jumped 8 points from 20 to 28. And we're at 325 on NASDAQ, climbing again. We're down 86 on the Dow. We're going for the green. The Dow is going for the green right now. It is down 86 points right at this moment. 124.50 on GameStop, 1034 SoFi, 986 on Rocket Lab, Matterport 687, ME at 425, Spire down 5, ATIP up 9, SmartRent up 16, Cyxtera down 15 cents. We are down 99 on the Dow. We are climbing on a whole bunch of these stocks. Let's see. Coyote just says, I just delisted a DQ. Cisco's green. Jeff, Frumbler, March 11 or 4. I wrote the same for next week. Right on. We've got movement here on a bunch of our stuff. Home Depot up 326. Vanek up 770. IBM down 81 cents. Microsoft up $12.38, just jumped $2. Apple up $1.34, now up $1.46, climbing. Goldman down only $3. Cisco up 2 pennies. Facebook up $8.50. Amazon up $120 a share. Tesla up $30, going for $800. Google up 91 right now. Bed Bath Beyond up $2 to $15.22. Big move. Probably shorter is getting squeezed there as well. Wouldn't surprise me. Target up almost is up $1.15. Excuse me. Costco up $8. Sorry, Costco up 8. Nvidia up 12. We got movement. We got green everywhere coming into this market. Everywhere. We're down 38 points on the Dow. We're down 38 on the Dow. That's all we're down on the Dow. The Dow is about to go green. Oil is holding 43-cent gain. It might go red before the day is out. The Dow down 39 points. That's all. The Dow is down 39 points. It's coming back. Bruce, I flipped these Apple calls I bought this morning for a cool 140%. Thanks for teaching us all patience and to keep some powder left in reserves to jump on opportunities. Beautiful job. Nicholas, hey, Uncle B, how do you take the additional sanctions? Will they be enough to deter Protein? No. Beach Boy, Uncle Bruce, broker blocked options on GameStop. They blocked meme option trading a year ago and haven't unblocked it yet. The Israeli side, gotta find solution ASAP. I'll switch platform. Big mistake. Huge. Amazing. Michael, Apple moving almost $10 in a day is a big deal. A big deal. Interesting stuff. GameStop 124.50 up 963 now. SoFi 1034 up 53 cents. Rocket Lab 990 going for $10. Matterport 690 going for $7. We're up 72 on Matterport. We are climbing. The Dow down 23 points. The Dow is about to go green. We have 24 minutes left to trade. Strong close coming in here. The S&P has doubled in 15 minutes. We're up 45 points instead of 20 points. We're rocking on S&P. And NASDAQ up 387. The Dow down 21. We're about to go green on the Dow Jones Industrials. On the Dow 30, the top 30 stocks, the worst performer is United Health down 550, JP Morgan down 460, Procter & Gamble down 467, Travelers down 430, Johnson Johnson down 350, McDonald's down only $3. It's come back $3. We've got winners. Salesforce up 1370, Microsoft up 13, Honeywell up
4. Home Depot up 370, Walt Disney up $3, Intel up 2, Apple up 178, Boeing up 140, Visa up 36. We have a whole bunch of stocks within $1 of breaking even or climbing into the green on the Dow Jones. We've got a lot of positive momentum. The Dow down 1631 right now. That's where the Dow is, down 1631. We're up 51 on S&P and up 400 on NASDAQ. The Dow Jones down 7.4 points. Rocket Lab 989, Matterport 691. We are climbing everywhere nicely. This is fun, said Jennifer. Uncle Bruce, I heard this morning that some markets you're banned short selling while the crisis is going on. Have you heard that? I've not heard it. Dave the Mac guy, Michael, they didn't move $10. They corrected $10. Correct, says Michael. Beach Boy, that's my new platform. So blocked one option only. Unbelievable, Beach Boy. It's unbelievable. This feeling is so weird. My portfolio is green. I don't know how I feel. I am numb. We're down 4.7 on the Dow Jones. We're about to go green on the Dow. The Dow is about to turn it around. That's going to make headlines when this happens. It's going to make headlines. 125.35 on GameStop, up 10.48. SoFi up 10, up to 10.35. Rocket Lab 9.90, and Matterport 6.90. ME 4.29, up 8.5. Spire still down a nickel from what I can see. ATIP up 9.5. SmartRent up 15. Cyxtera down 19 cents only. We're moving, kids. We're moving all over the place here. We are rocking and rolling. The Dow is down 1.8 points. That's it. And it's now up on the day. The Dow has turned green. It touched a green trade for a moment just a minute ago. The Dow has gone green and will continue to do so. We're at 990 on Rocket Lab, up 127. SoFi 1036, up 53 cents. GameStop 125.26. AMC 1768, up 195. Matterport 690, up 73 cents. And ME is going for 430 right now. The high of the day is where we're at right now, 429.5 pennies, up 8.5 cents. 4.39 million on ME. Buying is coming in and it is spiking higher. It's going higher right now on ME. Okay. Don't stop now, kids. Don't stop on account of me. Keep it going, please. Indeed, just go uppity, uppity, up. That would be lovely. Cheers to all of you around the world who are joining me everywhere. Oh, Uncle Bruce has pooped, but we are seeing results today. A big turnaround, massive turnaround today. Even as Russia enters Ukraine, the world has spoken. We are on the side of the West, not the side of the East. Dow Jones green again, says DQ. I'm not surprised to see this. Very good. Is it pronounced Putin or Poutine? One is a psycho murderer who lost his marbles. The other is a delicious fried food covered in the most delicious cheese curds slathered in gravy. I can't believe the VIX might dip below 30 today. This is wild. We're down 2.3 points on the Dow. We're about to go green again on the Dow. It's about to happen. We're getting a lot of swings, down 1/3 of 1 point on the Dow Jones Industrial. 0.34 in the red on the Dow. We're about to go completely green on all indexes. Very good. There it is. We're up 7.3 on the Dow right now. We're up 401 points on NASDAQ. We're up 51 on S&P. The NASDAQ is up 3%. The Dow is even. The Dow, if it were up 3%, it would be up 1,000 points. That's how far behind the Dow is right now for NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is equivalent of 1,000 Dow points. There's money going into NASDAQ right now. Big money. Big money. NASDAQ's been the big seller, though. It was the one that's down the most. So it's getting the shot right now of cash. Rocket Lab 990, SoFi 1031, GameStop 125.18, AMC at 1761, Matterport 684, ME 428.5 to 429. Okay. Welcome one, welcome all. I'm glad you're here. It's nice to see a little green coming through here. It's about time. We have only just begun. if we're going to see some more green, it could be all day tomorrow and more. This is a market that is poised for a shot. What can I say? Let's see. Folks are making fun of Putin's name. Fair enough. 125.17 up 10.30 on the GameStop. 125.36 up 10.49 on GameStop right now. AMC is up 189. These are at the highs of the day right here. 990 on Rocket Lab. We're a dime away from $10 with 17 minutes to go. 681 on Matterport right now. We're still down 5.5 cents on Spire. We're up 9.5 on ATIP at the moment. This is where we're at, guys. Thank you, all of you, for supporting this channel. We have 134 thumbs ups. Keep those coming in, folks. I do appreciate you for those. If you're able to hit this thumbs up button, tell people to watch this channel as we talk about our favorite stocks. I do appreciate any and all thumbs ups. If you can spare them, they are important to us, and they make such a difference with the YouTube analytic computers. They will recommend people this direction if you help me out with the thumbs ups. Thank you. 137 and climbing on the thumbs ups. Fantastic. And Monique, I will get you a message shortly to join the class. I will get that to you just after the show is over. So stand by, Monique. I'll get you a link so you can join us on Saturday this week, 2 o'clock Eastern Time, as we talk about doing rollovers on options. Absolutely. We'll be there. The Dow right now is down 52, a little sell wave coming in just to kind of mess with us right now. We're down 52 on the Dow. We're at 990 on Rocket Lab, 1030 on SoFi, 125.09 on GameStop. AMC at 1762, Matterport 680, and ME at 428.5. Lots of things happening here at the same time all over the place. Oh my gosh. This is something else. Thank you, all of you, for being here. 155 thumbs ups and climbing. Thank you all. Keep them coming. I appreciate it. It really helps the channel get found and noticed on those YouTube computers. Thank you, everybody. All right. Let's see. I got my thumbs ups in there, says Chrome Punisher. I did it. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it very, very much. Okay. The Dow 30s, the winners now. Microsoft is the biggest winner, up 13. Salesforce up 12.60. Honeywell up $4. Home Depot up 2.80. Walt Disney up 2.79. Intel up $1.80. Apple up $1.40. Boeing up 1.20. Cisco up 12 cents. We've got Visa up 12 cents. We've got Nike up 3. Walgreens down 31. IBM down 60 cents. Walmart down 60 cents. Verizon down 91, 3M down $1.03, Dow down 112, Coca-Cola down 129, Chevron down 144, American Express down 168. The worst of the performers, United Health down $6, Procter & Gamble down 490, JP Morgan down 460, Travelers down 430, Johnson Johnson down 350, McDonald's down 3, Merck down 270, Goldman only down 250 a share. We've got more greens coming on board here. This Dow has been improving every minute. Overall, we're down 21 right now. We're coming on again. We're down 20 now on the Dow. We're coming on. Let's see. What else? What else is happening on this market? We're at 990 again on Rocket Lab. 124.94 on GameStop. 680 on Matterport. 429.5 on ME. We're climbing again. There it is, down 30 on the Dow, just down 30 on the Dow Jones. Oil up 86 cents, was at $99. It's at $92.96. We've given up $7 a barrel on oil prices. Very good, very good. Okay. Tons to watch, tons to follow, all kinds of stuff going on here. World events and everything else. Oh my, is there stuff happening everywhere. Thank you all for being part of the show today. Nice to see you all. We're just going to follow this news all night long out of Ukraine and see what's going on.
conflict whipsaws U.S. market oil prices. That's headline in Wall Street Journal, of course. And these markets have really reacted here. A lot of money coming into this market, though. Tons of it. Alrighty. Watching tons of stuff here. Looking at all kinds of headlines. Thank you all very much. We've got now 170 thumbs ups and climbing. Thank you for these thumbs ups, folks. Keep them coming if you can. Do appreciate it. We've got, let's see. Let's go. Yeah, 99 nations. Wow, my sold put is exploding on Rklb right now. Go. That is good news there. Anyone writing these puts lately, have we got gains going on here? Those GameStop puts that were written this morning have got to be looking good now too. That is fantastic. Those are the 90 puts that were written this morning. Man, that's great. I bought back my 115 GameStops, a little profit this week. What would you recommend to write tomorrow on GameStop? Thanks, Bruce. WD, keep an eye. If it wants to stick around here, pop up a little bit more. You might be writing 130s for next week, 135s for the week after. Keep an eye on that GameStop share. 124.52 at the moment is where it's at. We'll see how this wants to play itself out. We're down only 24 on the Dow now. Watching that. I hope we cover writing puts on Saturday. We're going to be talking about rollovers and a whole bunch of other stuff. Oh, are we going to be busy Saturday on this class? We have a lot to cover. We're down 17 on the Dow. We're coming on again with another shot. Looks like I've got another classmate coming. You betcha, Austin. We're in there, buddy. Way to go, man. We got another one. The class is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. 99 nations selling puts so good when you find a reasonable bottom in a crash. Yes. Alberto, soon enough, I won't be that idiot nephew anymore. I won't be that guy. Just keep making money, buddy. Just keep making money. I love it. Just love it when you're making money. It's fantastic. Way to go, you guys. GameStop 123.76 right now, and we're at 678 on Matterport. We're down to 11 minutes on the day now. We're going to see in this last 11 minutes what's going to happen with the Dow, with the Dow 30. Is there going to be a lot of computer manipulation trades going through? How's this going to go? We're up 381 on NASDAQ. We're up 48 on S&P. They're very solidly positive. The Dow is down 0.08%, and now Dow just went green. It just shot $60 in this direction from a negative 50 to a plus 11 reading in like a second. In 1 second, it did that. We are jumping here like crazy. Just amazing the power of some of these computer programs going through right now. Let's go. Oh, there goes the class, says Michael. Do we need to send you an email to get the link for Saturday? If you make a payment, like I've indicated up here, I get your email automatically with that, unless you want me to send a notice to another email. But you can always send me an email saying, Bruce, I've sent you a payment. This is the email I want you to contact me on. That would help me a lot, okay? 99 Nation videos. Wow, what a market. We're up 44 now on the Dow. Up 44. We're back to 990 on Rklb. We're at 1038 on Sofi. We're climbing again. GameStop 124.56. 684 on Matterport. 431.5 on ME. 220 on Spire. 247 on ATIP. 676 up 17 on SmartRent. And we're now up 51 on the Dow. We're climbing a little more. Nelson says, Alberto says the guy with 20,000 shares of Sofi. I don't see an idiot here. Yeah, DQ. Austin, if I make it to the class, I'll shotgun 2 beers. Bradley, Sofi just doesn't want to be down here. I just can tell people are saying, nope, another boring day. Oh, yeah, that's what Beach Boy is saying. Nothing happening. Oh, another boring day. Up 56.68 on the Dow. Just a 50-point gain on the Dow. Nothing happened today. Nothing's going on. Wow, 57-point gain on S&P and 412 on NASDAQ as we climb into the close. 8 minutes to go. 73-point day gain on the Dow. We're at the high of the day right now on the Dow. We are climbing here with some power. Looking very, very good. The Dow 30 now, the worst performer, Procter & Gamble down 430 a share, United Health down 430, JP Morgan down 4, Travelers down 357. The best performer, Microsoft up almost $14, Salesforce up $13.80, Honeywell up $4.20, Home Depot up $4.10, Walt Disney up $3.30. Boeing up $2, Apple up $2, Intel up $2, Visa up $1.20, Cisco up 30 cents, Nike up 25. IBM is down 9 cents. Walgreens down a dime, Walmart down 20. That's it. We have got a whole bunch of stocks that are down $2 or less, and we're into the green. We are climbing on this market right now, looking real nice. Up 108 on the Dow Jones, up 108 points. Rocket Lab 990, SoFi 1035, GameStop 124.65, Matterport up 682 now, up to 682. ME 431.5, up 10.5. Nice going. Alberto is saying to Nelson, before my one-on-one with Uncle Bruce, I was always losing. I have a lot to learn, but thanks, Beach Boy. Larry happening his bells reluctantly now. He's going to ring him in 7 minutes. Unfortunately, we're up 137 on the Dow. We're still climbing up. We're up 60 now on S&P, probably more than that. See if I can get my biggest iPad to refresh this market. S&P up 68, NASDAQ up 442. The S&P was up 20 points an hour ago. It was up only 20, and we're now up 62 on S&P and climbing here dramatically. This is going to be interesting. Oil, $93 a barrel, up 91 cents. It was 99 this morning in Texas. We're up 116 on the Dow. Climbing along here. What a day. What a day today. Volume on SoFi now is 72.7 million. We're at 1036. The high of the day, 1038. We're right up there on the SoFi right now. Rocket Lab volume today, 3.69 million at 990. The high of the day, 991. Matterport, 684. The high of the day, 691. We're at 684 at 11 million volume on Matterport right now. ME 430.5. That is roughly just short of the high of the day by about a penny. 4.7 million on ME. 23andMe. Looking very good. Spire still down a nickel on 1.74 million. It's kind of like there's a resistor there for whatever reason. I don't know why. It just is. ATIP 247 up 7 cents. Smart Rent up 14 and Cyxtera down 20 cents. Vanik up 870. Home Depot up 442. IBM down 8 cents. Microsoft up 14.20 to 294 now, coming back to 300 on Microsoft, kids. Apple 162.50 up 245. Goldman 340 down 77 cents. Goldman this morning was 226.95. We're now at 340. What a turnaround on Goldman today, and it is surging right now. Cisco up 31. It's moving higher. Facebook up 920, Amazon up 131, Tesla up $36 to 800. It was 700 this morning. It's now 800. Google up 104. It's climbing nicely. Google was down to $2,495. It is now climbed $161 from the low of the day, from what I can tell here. What a run on Google. Phenomenal. Just phenomenal today. Big day. To Costco up $10 to 505. It was 483. We have gained $22 on Costco today. $22 gain on Costco today. NVIDIA 237. It was down to 208. Wow. Big move here too, another big move. Okay, kids, we're moving into the last 4 minutes. We're up 111, up 99 now on the Dow. We're going through all kinds of waves and gyrations. We're at 984 on Rocket Lab, 1034 on SoFi, 124.40 on GameStop, 1772 on AMC, up $2.
Matterport 686 up 68 cents. What a phenomenal day today with incredible volatility, ups and downs and all arounds. It is wild today. Just a wild, wild day. We should keep those markets open a little longer, says Larry. There are no bells, says BZ. There's no bells today. How about that? No bells for you, says Charlie. Charlie, ring the lamp, baby. Straight in the Eiffel Tower, maybe? Sold 115 GameStop calls this morning, and when I looked like it was running out of steam, oops, my saving grace, March 11th expiring. This chat is goofy, says Jennifer. What else? There's no bell. There's only Zool. This chat is fun, says Joanne. We are now up 42 on the Dow, 120 on Rocket Lab, and we're coming into the last 2 minutes. Zach, I'm number 186 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you so much. We now have 187 thumbs ups. They're still coming in. We're going to hit 200, we hope. Thank you all for getting me to as close as 200 or more if possible. Thank you, guys. And Michael, I missed the email link part for classes. The link sent to the email close to the class start time. Yeah, in the last half hour, I will send you the link to the class. You'll be invited in. It's a private broadcast for class members only. That's why you let me know with a private email what email link you want me to use, and I'll get you there. When someone asks you to ring the bells, you just say no. Let's see. We'll find out, BW, what's going on shortly. Cindy, I'm 190. Almost forgot to give you a thumbs up. Joanne Hobbs, 100% fun, red or green days. Hula. Only when we talk about the lamp. Got out all the written calls this AM, even the ones I previously had to roll, 311 and 318. Boom, says Alexander. Making money. We're up 62, up 88 on the Dow. Last minute, we're climbing again. Big surge. We're up 88 on the Dow right at this moment in time, and we're up 59 or more now on S&P. We're up 64 on S&P. We're up 105 on the Dow. We're climbing. We're up 436 on NASDAQ. We're climbing in the last minute into this close. I'm just a rookie simpleton, but wow, what a turnaround today. Ring it, Larry. Larry, just say no. 102 gain on the Dow in the last few seconds, and it should be over, and it is. Larry's going, sorry, kids, I can't help it. I got to do what I got to do. Charlie, Uncle Bruce, I work on Saturday, so can't attend the class. For some stupid reason, my employer frowns on me making money while I make them money. Jerks. Dave, I'm a thumbs up number 198. I almost forgot. Keep trading, says Larry. Just keep trading the aftermarket. Up 91 on the Dow. Looks like the final number that I see. That'll probably jump around a bit. It's all over, man, says Nelson. And we're looking at 989 on Rocket Lab, up 126. SoFi at 1033, up 51 cents. GameStop 124.55, up 968. AMC 1768, up 195. Matterport 684, up 66. ME up a thin dime to 431. That ME this morning was 385, and it came out at 431. Nice little turnaround on ME today. Aspire down 3 cents. A little pullback, a little come up, a little come back here at the very end, still down 3. ATIP up 9 to 249. Smart Rent up 31 cents. A big shot at the end here. 690 at the close on that final trade. High of the day, 3 million volume on Smart Rent, up 31 cents. Sexterra ended up losing 20 cents to 12.59. Robinhood closed at 11.51, up 65 cents. Vanek Vectors up 8.85 at 266.76. Home Depot up 4.63 at 313 bucks. IBM lost 9 cents. Microsoft up $14.32. Apple up $2.67. Goldman down 76 cents. Lost 15 earlier. Just lost 76 cents. That's all. Cisco up 29 cents. Facebook up 9.15. Amazon up $130. Tesla up 36 bucks. Google up 101 bucks. Big day today, and a huge turnaround on a whole bunch of stuff today. Unbelievable. Rocket Lab 990 in the aftermarket. SoFi 1032 on the aftermarket, down a penny. GameStop 125.02, up 47 cents now in the aftermarket. AMC 1768 up 195 and unchanged on the aftermarket. Matterport 684 right now showing 675 in the aftermarket. ME 431 showing 428 on the aftermarket, down 3. Spire 222 and 220 on the aftermarket, down about 2 cents. ATIP 249, no changes, no trades on the aftermarket. Smart Rent 680 down a dime. Sixtera unchanged on the aftermarket, 12.59. There you have it. That's our day. Now, is ATIP releasing results after the bell? Is that the story? Is that official? Is that actually going to happen? ATIP. We're wondering. I'm going to watch for that if that's happening. Let's see. Beach Boy, Larry, no soup for you. Cindy, Uncle Bruce, I need to put a rubber band on my wrist and snap it before I do something impulsive. DQ, I guess I'll be rolling calls tomorrow. Nelson is saying, is a 7% gain on my portfolio, only 43% more to go. Lorraine, I'm thumbs up 210, Bruce. Thank you, Lorraine. Larry, I tried to tell him to keep the market open, but the New York Stock Exchange, they lost the fax in their machine somewhere. Duncan, I'm up 7.29. Let's see. DQ is saying, okay, Moderna, just go ahead and go $20 a day for the next 10 days. Go ahead. Just go ahead. DQ, what's that? Zed, will you be teaching rolling put and calls? Be concentrating on the calls. I might mention some puts. Just bear with me. I got a lot to cover on Saturday, to say the least, with you guys. Beach Boy, just a call back to the SoFi delisting joke. Where are we at now? We are waiting for ATIP to trade or indicate after hours. Is that true? After hours earnings? Bought another 100 Spire today at 222, says Nelson. Right on. Picking up that cheap paper. If they want to give it to you, you steal it. Let's take a look over here at, let's see what the ATIP is up to, if we have any activity after hours on ATIP. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Nothing yet. I've got nothing yet on ATIP. And I'm looking over here. I got nothing over there. So far, quiet. Let's take a look here. Let's go. I'm not showing anything at the moment on ATIP. I'm not sure. Is ATIP supposed to release anything? Does anyone know anything on that? You guys let me know if you see it, okay? Is it tomorrow morning? It might be tomorrow morning. And that might be exactly what it is. Is there anyone else releasing anything tonight? I don't think so, right? Yeah, ATIP tomorrow morning. Okay, very good. Let's go. Tomorrow. Okay, so it is tomorrow. Okay. Very good. So Beach Boy singing. So is anti-PC adrift now? Is she no longer a member of this channel? I think her membership ran out today, she said, and she's not going to renew membership. So, anti-PC, all the best to her, and wherever she is heading and whatever she's going to do and all that. Anyway, that's what it is, as far as I know. I can't do anything about any of this. Let's see. Very good. Thank you, Anna. I got your email message for your link for your notification. Very good. I'll take care of that. No problem. And we've got Austin in there. That's fine. Everything's falling into place. Okay, guys. Yeah, any of you want to be in the class, you Phil, just send a donation through that link up there. You see up there, and we'll get you looked after. Thank you all for being with me today. What a day! What just unbelievable.
I sure hope a lot of you are doing well here. I think some of you got really into the pre-market buys. You scored some deals, and now this morning you scored deals on really cheap options on some of these unbelievable stocks trades. I'm very happy, and some of you now will be able to write poor man covered calls as well, which will be great. It's fabulous. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here with me. We'll be here tomorrow morning, as usual, to bring in Friday. It's option expiry day tomorrow. Oh boy, we're going to be busy again. We'll be on top of this market. Thank you all. We'll stay on top of this together and see what's going to happen. We'll watch for the ATIP earnings tomorrow morning. In the meantime, everybody, have yourselves a good night. Oh, I'm going to get some rest. Oh, I need rest badly. Get rest for yourselves. And thank you all for your thumbs ups to help out the channel, donations, and everything you're doing. Class attendance, fabulous. Thank you. 221 thumbs ups, guys. Thank you. This is great. 221. I love it. Thank you guys so much. 123.50 on GameStop in the aftermarket right now. And there you are. We'll be here tomorrow, and we'll follow it all together and see where we can take this. Anthony, it's tomorrow. DQ, it's all good. No soup for them. ATIP tomorrow, says Nelson. Let's go. Have a good evening, Uncle Bruce. Where is Rob? Beach Boy wants to know. And a good night, all bagel butts. Rest up, Uncle B. Good night. Pick home, thumbs up, Sonari. Anti-PC is like the Men in Black. She'll see you, but you won't see her. Good day, all from Duncan. Thanks, Duncan. Beach Boy. Good night, Uncle B. Boring session, though. Just nothing going on. Joanne, see y'all tomorrow afternoon. Great show, Bruce. Thanks for the laughs, guys. DQ, good night, Uncle B. Good night, everybody. Okay, guys, take care. We'll see you first thing in the morning tomorrow. Let's make some more money. Okay, bye for now.